What's up, chickies? Welcome back for another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Apollo box, which is a monthly surprise box subscription. So in case you're new here, I'm Christine. I curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love it if you'd be a part of the Chickie crew. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new videos. Now this video is in partnership with Apollo Box. Thank you so much to Apollo Box for partnering with me for today's video. Essentially, Apollo Box is a subscription where you pay $30 a month. However, there are different plans to choose from. Take a survey, and that survey kind of gives them an idea of what types of items you would like to see in your box. And just keep in mind, all of these items are a surprise. And these items are things that you can find around the world, which makes this box pretty unique. I'm really excited to see what's in here because when I took the survey, I specifically wanted to make this box so that these items could be shared amongst my family, not just for myself. Let's go ahead and open this together. I'm gonna cover my hand on these products because I don't want to see what they are, but it says, "Thank you for subscribing to Apollo Surprise Box. We hope you enjoy the products as much as we enjoyed picking them and can't wait to hear your feedback." And oh, this is cool. They even include some cards which kind of tell about the items, which we're not going to look at. Cactus Toiletry Bag Series. Oh my gosh, this is interesting. So this is the first thing that's in the box. Oh, this is pretty. It's like a pretty like blush pink. It's from the brand Urban Forest and it is a makeup bag. I love the color. Oh, that's cute. So it expands. There we go. It expands and it looks like a cactus. Like how it can expand, so that's a plus. And I also love the colors. Urban Forest Cactus Travel Bag. Cacti can gather and hold a lot of water in their stems. Ceres Cactus, our Urban Forest Cactus Travel Bags can hold a lot of toiletries, makeup, and more. Handcrafted with reinforced stitching and heavy-duty zippers. So this next one, wall clock. Nice life and nice time. This would be perfect for my mom. She loves wall clocks. I already know where she's gonna place this. She's gonna put this outside in the backyard. Let's read a bit about this. Fruit slice wall clock. Freshly squeezed color. Freshen up your wall decor with this fruity feast of wall clocks. The design features the sliced side view of citrus fruit and comes in a choice of lime green, bright yellow, or rainbow colors. This is something that's perfect for our backyard to kind of spruce it up a bit. I think we have one more product in here. Oh my gosh, this is too funny. Spray the bitch away. It's from the brand Frankie and Mirth, and it is called Spray the Bitch Away. It's got more than 99 problems. Spray the bitch away with this soothing aromatherapy spray. It's perfect for when you're irritated, pissed off, annoyed, tired, peeved, frustrated, enraged, and have an overall bad attitude. Spray and breathe in mist. Help relieve frustration, anger, and promote a more positive environment. Okay, all right, let's spray this. Could smell the eucalyptus lavender. Packaging on this is really hilarious. Those are all the items in my Apollo box, and I have to be honest with you and let you guys know that I was really surprised with the items in this box. Like I said earlier, I did take the survey, keeping in mind that I wanted to share these items with my family members. So I think it's a really great thing that this wall clock was included because this is something that I know my mom will definitely like. And also, this is something that I think is going to be so hilarious to give. It has some humor, and I know that this is something that they will like. So if you're in the market for a new subscription box where you can share the love, highly recommend you check out the Apollo box. Another great thing I wanted to mention is that you can cancel at any time, and they were also so generous to include a coupon code. If you use the code TCBOX15, that will get you 15% off your first 3 boxes or 15% off site-wide. They also have other items on their website that you could choose, so that's something else to keep in mind. But I just want to thank Apollo Box so much again for partnering with me for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give this a like. I would greatly appreciate the support. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Have an amazing, wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.